All right now everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm back in the wood yard here today, Black in the wood yard. If you follow the channel real close, last year about this same time I sprained my back pretty good, lifting up a piece of cherry actually. I think I was wearing this same red shirt actually that's underneath here. But anyways, moving on to this year, I did about the same thing with my back about 3 weeks ago. I sprained my back really good, and I went to work several times after that, a few times in buckwood and everything, and every time I went to work I kept re-injuring my back. So I eventually just had to say I need to take a week or two off and really let this thing heal. I did get a CT scan, and there was nothing on the scan that showed a slipped disc or anything, so I just had a real bad sprain, a real bad tear. It was pulling on my upper glutes and my lower back, and I can't lean over, can't stand up, that kind of thing. So I needed to sit at home and heal. It was pretty bad now, and while I was healing, I was about to start doing some stem cell therapy or something to try to restore my youthful muscular system there. Now I did see on the YouTube there was a doctor there saying that you can make your own stem cell therapy, and all you have to do is pee into a jar and set it on the counter for about 15 days, maybe 15 to 20 days. And then you take that and put it into a syringe and shoot it up your butt. And that's a stem cell therapy. You don't have to pay big money. It's like thousands of dollars to get stem cell therapy. Could be even over $10,000 or more, but you're going to pay thousands of dollars. So that's all you got to do is just boof some fermented pee, and you get the same results apparently. So I was thinking about doing that, and I just haven't got around to it yet. My back's feeling better now. I haven't had the doctor recommend that to me either, so my doctor hasn't recommended that, so I haven't done that yet. But anyways, we're here in the wood yard now, and I got this nice piece of crap right here, some good burning firewood, and I thought I'd just buck this little piece of crap up here. Now it does have some knots all over it. It's a real knotty piece of wood, and I'm gonna burn that puppy. So let me get my saw going here, and I do have my pants tucked into my socks and everything ready to go. It's that time of year. I already got one tick bite in April, like early April, like April 2nd or something, I think it was. I came home, not a care in the world, and looked down and there was a tick right on my thigh. I think it was actually right here, just stuck right in my leg right there. So I said, well, it's time to start tucking the pants into the socks again. Let me get my chainsaw out here, my little wood marker, and let's buck this puppy up and make some wood. Oh, and you guys, don't forget to subscribe, hype, like, share, comment, whatever you got to do, but it all helps out the channel. I appreciate it. All right now, everybody, I got all that wood bucked up there now, and that's some good burning wood right there. We'll get that made into firewood here. Again, thanks for joining me now. I'm just going to move this stuff right over here around the corner, noodle it down a little bit, some of these larger ones here now, like that one and a couple of these, and just kind of set it right here on the corner where I can get to it here when I need it, and get that wood split, because they park trucks in here. So we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for stopping in and joining me today. Just doing a little bit of making that good burning wood back in the wood yard, back in the cut here. I got to make all kinds of wood, and there's all kinds of good wood out here. There's some good nice sized stuff, and some ash over there, and some oak and all kinds of stuff. But anyways, we'll see you guys later. Have a good one now.